Hey friends, welcome back to our channel Renben Vlogs. Today we are going to see Lachha Paratha recipe. So first you have to take wheat flour and we have to make dough out of it and then roll it like a chapati. So it should be round or any which shape you all want. It is not such that you all have to do it round only. So basically I have done it round. So stay tuned and please do subscribe. Take a moment and please do subscribe my channel, and I really need your support for this. So even y'all can take dry flour to make it perfect if it is getting stick. Now you have to add butter on it and apply butter on edges as well so that it won't stick to each other and you will get layers. You will get lachha properly. Add chili flakes and coriander chopped leaves. Now it is optional. If you all want it plain, you all can do it plain by applying butter. But if you all want it little bit like tasty, so you all can add this stuff and spread it evenly and properly, and especially on the edges so that it won't stick to each other. You can use your hand because I love to use my hand. I am too comfortable with my hand, so I use my hand, so please don't mind. Now you have to cut it till the middle and then you have to roll it as you all do it for samosa. So basically each and everyone loves samosa, I know that very well. And yes, so you have to just roll it. So you all can see this layers will be coming up. Now you have to pull it out gently so that it won't get cuts on it. And then the each part, that point, the tip should come from the middle of that circle which we have formed, and then put it in the dry flour, because this is the only time where you can use dry flour, or else we don't have to use it. Is just once. Now you have to roll it again gently, because if you roll it hard, the layers will get stuck to each other, and secondly you won't get lachha, that is the layers you won't get it. So you have to be too soft with it, too smooth. I'm really sorry if there are any mistakes, because I have done this first time and I really loved it. So I made this video, and if you all want to see cooking videos, please do tell me. Now you have to preheat the tawa or pan, whatever you all use it, and then you have to grease it properly with oil, whichever oil you all want. I have used olive oil because I basically use olive oil. So grease it properly. Half it is cooked, then you have to turn it the same way as you all do it for chapati, to cook chapati. And really sorry if there are any mistakes in like names or whatever form. I'm sorry for that. Basically this is my first cooking video, so let's see. So these are the layers which are formed, you all can see. So this shows that the chapati, the paratha is perfectly cooked. See, when you all turn it, that time also grease it properly so that it becomes crispy. I will show you the sound of it. See, these are the layers which are formed. And if you all won't apply butter properly, then this layers you won't get it, because when you will roll it, it will get stuck. Did you all see the sound? It's too crunchy and it's really worth trying it at home. Thank you for watching this video. Please do subscribe and follow us on Instagram. Thank you. Stay home, stay